What about the ad side? Have you ever considered monetization?
I kind of hate ads just as like an aesthetic choice. I think ads needed to happen on the internet for a bunch of reasons to get it going. But it's a more mature industry. The world is richer now. I like that people pay for ChatGPT and know that the answers they're getting are not influenced by advertisers. I'm sure there's an ad unit that makes sense for LLMs. And I'm sure there's a way to like participate in the transaction stream in an unbiased way that is okay to do. But it's also easy to think about like the dystopic visions of the future where you ask ChatGPT something and it says, oh, here's, you should think about buying this product, or you should think about, this going here for your vacation or whatever. And I don't know, like we have a very simple business model and I like it. And I know that I'm not the product. Like I know I'm paying, and that's how the business model works. And when I go use like Twitter or Facebook or Google or any other great product, but ad-supported great product, I don't love that. And I think it gets worse, not better in a world with AI.
Yeah, I mean, I can imagine AI would be better at showing the best kind of version of ads, not in a dystopic future, but where the ads are for things you actually need. But then does that system always result in the ads driving the kind of stuff that's shown? All that I think it was a really bold move of Wikipedia not to do advertisements, but then it makes it very challenging as a business model. So you're saying the current thing with OpenAI is sustainable from a business perspective?
Well, we have to figure out how to grow, but looks like we're going to figure that out. If the question is, do I think we can have a great business that pays for our compute needs without ads? That I think the answer is yes.
Well, that's promising. I also just don't want to completely throw out ads as a...
I'm not saying that. I guess I'm saying I have a bias against them.
Yeah, I have also a bias and just a skepticism in general. And in terms of interface, because I personally just have like a spiritual dislike of crappy interfaces, which is why AdSense, when it first came out, was a big leap forward versus like animated banners or whatever. But like it feels like there should be many more leaps forward in advertisement that doesn't interfere with the consumption of the content and doesn't interfere in the big fundamental way, which is like what you were saying. Like it will manipulate the truth to suit the advertisers.